So here's how to sign out from OneDrive on Windows 11 and unlink it from your computer. So first you want to see on the taskbar if you see OneDrive icon here. Otherwise you can click on the arrow and see if you can find OneDrive icon in this list. Now if you can't see it, you can open the start menu and type OneDrive, and then make sure you open this folder, and it should open up the OneDrive folder. Now, once the folder is open, the icon should show up in this list. So you want to right click on it and then click on the settings button on the top. And now click on settings. Now in this window, we want to go to account. And then you will simply click on unlink this PC and then click unlink account. And if you notice, the OneDrive folder disappeared from this and your PC have been unlinked. Now, if you go to the OneDrive again, it should ask you to sign in. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.